Hi everybody. Today is day 2 of my abs challenge and my trainer here, Brian, will take me through today's session. Come with me.
Okay, so for today we're going to start with the lower tummy workouts. We're going to do the leg raises. We start with the double. When I say double, I mean like both legs will be going up, coming down. And then we're going to go for the scissors one, which basically is the single, in which like the legs are done like in a single way, like you're separating them, but still it's a leg raise. So you swing, back, support your back. Okay, start with both legs going up, slowly, taking half, then down, halfway, good work, up, then down, again, 10-second break. So we are done now with the double leg raises. We're going to go for the single one. So we just use the same criteria that you're doing. One leg up, one leg down. In 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go. That's one. Let's go. One more remaining, push it. Good work. We're going to take a 10-second break, then you're coming back to finish the last one. Up, down, down. Good work, guys. Push it. Down. Okay, more. Up, down, down. Last one remaining. Let's go. Up. Go back straight. Yeah, good work. In. 20 seconds remaining. Good work. Good work. 50 seconds down. Hey, good work. We're going to do one last set and then you're going to be done for the ab session. Basically, the breaks are meant to ensure that you recover, but also to ensure that you strength to the necessary level. Because like too much break is not good, because you have to condition your muscles in a particular way. You have to burn your fats in a particular way. And the moment you rest too much, you don't facilitate the process of you turning your muscles in the proper way. So the period of rest is something that you must take in a sincere way, and by that I mean you must be disciplined enough to know if 10 seconds is elapsed, you have to go to another exercise.